In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a line through text in Microsoft Excel, an effect commonly referred to as strike-through or crossed-out text. This can be particularly useful when you want to visually indicate that a piece of information is outdated or no longer relevant without actually deleting it. So let's get started. First, you'll want to locate and click on the cell that contains the text you want to modify. This is the cell where you plan to apply the strike-through effect. Once the cell is selected, right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and from that menu, you'll want to choose the option that says Format Cells. It's the gateway to a variety of formatting options in Excel. Now that you're in the Format Cells dialog box, direct your attention to the Font tab. This tab contains several options that control how your text appears within the cell. Look closely for the Effects section. Under this section, you'll find the Strike-Through checkbox. Clicking on this checkbox will enable the effect. Notice that a preview area will display how your text will look with the strike-through applied, giving you a visual confirmation before you commit to the change. Once you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and click the OK button. This action will apply the strike-through effect to the text in the selected cell, effectively drawing a line through it. But what if you're dealing with multiple cells? Applying a strike-through to several cells at once is just as straightforward. What you'll need to do is highlight all the cells you want to modify. After selecting the range of cells, right-click once more and select Format Cells from the menu, just like before. Return to the Font tab, and again you'll find that strike-through checkbox under the Effects section. Simply check the strike-through option and click OK. This will apply the same strike-through effect across all the cells you have highlighted, saving you time and ensuring consistency. And there you have it. A quick and simple way to apply strike-through formatting to your Excel spreadsheets. Whether you're updating data, marking completed tasks, or managing information effectively, this feature helps keep your sheets organized and easy to interpret. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Excel tutorials. We've got plenty more tips and tricks to make your Excel experience even better. Until next time, keep those spreadsheets looking their best.